Hi sir, last Monday, Linda Smith called to complain about the laptop which she bought from our store. The AC adapter isn't working. Its, its model was 1202 and the order number was 24079 Therefore, we had to rename the adapter by the end of the week and collect the old one at the same time. Besides, we promised to give him $10 discount of the next purchase, and she accepted our offers. Thanks.